Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can check the deals and promos in the Wanderlog application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the button next to the plus sign on the right at the bottom of the page. And as you can see here, you will find all the available deals and promos. So for example, if you're interested in getting 20% off of hotels, then just click on that. And then now you just have to find the place where you want to go. And if there are available hotels, then you will be able to get a discount on some of them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.